Yo, what up? What up? What up? I'm Curious and Terry, and today I want to talk about the Meta Ray-Bans. So this is the second iteration of Meta's smart glasses, and I'm currently wearing them right now, and I am actually pretty captivated by the technology. I think that there's a lot to be said about the second iteration being the greatest because the leap between where they were, like the first version of the glasses I saw them, I tried them. I didn't even buy them because I was like, this is just not for me. And to where they are now is actually quite unique. Like I'm actually impressed. So I think they're worth it. They start at like $299. They're practical if you ask me. I think that these are actually the first smart glasses that I would say genuinely anyone with a Facebook or an Instagram account or even a WhatsApp account or even if you use messages, this is like the first pair of glasses that I'm going to be like, okay, yeah, you're actually going to find some value out of it. Now, they've got a few features that I think everyone's talking about, but I'm going to talk a bit about my experience and then why I'd recommend actually going out and trying them on and seeing if they work for you. The first is, the live streaming component is unique if you want to give a perspective of like what you do. So if you're a creator, there's like a POV that you have that's unique and you're a traveler or you've got small family members and you want to like showcase what they're doing. This is an easy way to put the camera and get your hands back and get back into just living life. And if you've ever worn glasses, they're not heavy. They feel similarly to other Ray Bans. I've actually got quite a few Ray Bans. I've got these right here. These are my traditional blue light glasses. So you can see like the blue light lenses are actually better on these Meta Ray Bans than they are the traditional ones. However, the traditional ones, I like the lighter style of Ray Bans. The wafers were just not for me. I used to wear these a lot when I was in like high school, and so it took a lot even for me to get these. But I thought these were the best looking kind. They've got different variations. But the live streaming is cool. The video recording, mad cool. Like I can record, leave video notes. Like how I'm doing this Loom video now, I do a lot of content where I'm just sharing my thoughts and share the link. This allows me to do that much easier, so I'm actually a fan. Beyond that, I think you can do video and photo. So I don't want to miss out. If you just want to take a photo, you can take the photo. You can do the listening thing, which is cool because on the listening part, you got Spotify built into the glasses. And what's unique about Spotify being built into the glasses is a lot of people actually sign into Spotify using their Facebook account. And what's unique here is when I set up the app, it already knew I had a Spotify account because I signed into Spotify with Facebook. And so it was just automatically here. And then you do the long tap and you've got, music on your devices. And the AirPods that they have on here, I'm going to call them AirPods because they feel very similar to what it's like to have AirPods in your ears. Not the Pro 2s, but just standard AirPods. And the sound quality is great. Like for what it is, it's like you can eliminate having AirPods in your ears, having sunglasses on your face. And then I think the more quintessential feature is the LLM component. So they don't talk about it. The only thing they have on here is they talk about the AI technology, but they don't necessarily tell you what the AI technology is. So at any point, you can basically say a keyword and start to ask Meta different questions. And I think that this is cool because it's using their AI model which is called Llama. And it's like Chat GPT. So if you ever use Chat GPT, it's like the same thing, just it's the meta equivalent. And what you can do now is interact with it without having to be on a screen. So what this does is it allows for you to engage with a AI model where you can ask it questions, you can ask for feedback, you can get different information, all off your frames. And you can just get to just blend into everyday life. You need to take a phone call that happens on the frames. If you need to do a FaceTime, it can happen on the frames. You want to listen to music, that happens on the frames. You want to send a video, you can do that on the frames. Want to take a photo on the frames. Want to live stream on the frames. And this is just Gen 2 of this product. So is it heavy? No. Does it feel really good to wear? Does it look decent? Yeah, I mean, if you can wear Ray-Bans, then you can wear these and they don't look that much different than what you already know. I'll show you what it looks like to record a video. You can see that there's a light that goes off and we're actually recording right now. But for the most part, this is pretty standard. And what I'll also do is I'll link to these pages so you can see some of the sample video. The sample video is similar to what you see here on the actual glasses. Like it sends right over to your phone, saves it in the camera roll. You can share it to any uh, social media network that you want. So all in all, I'm a fan. I think that this is actually a step forward. I was not expecting to like these, so I'll just start off there. And then I started to see some people that I actually respect say that they were great. And then I saw a couple of articles saying that these were the best piece of technology of the year. And I'm going to agree with that. I think that they actually are for wearable devices. This is my favorite piece of hardware that I've picked up all year. And I probably will get two. The battery doesn't last long enough. So that's my only qualm.